x whole square dx. Integration of sin inverse of x whole square. So here you are having only, it is looking like a single function. It's looking like a single function. And इसका integration करना है तो second function to be taken as a 1. So you write this as a into 1 dx. So this is f of x, this is g of x. F of x and g of x. So by integration by parts, what do you get here? Sin inverse of x whole square, integration of 1 dx minus integration of d by dx of sin inverse of x whole square, integration of 1 dx. So which is equals to, this integration is x into sin inverse of x whole square minus integration of sin inverse x whole square in differentiation. So first it is in the form of x square. X square differentiation is 2x. And again इसका integration करना है. That is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. So 2 sin inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square into x dx. इसका integration is x. Okay. Now here again you are going to get this. In this part you need to apply the integration by parts again. So कैसे apply कर सकते हैं? X into sin inverse of x whole square minus integration of sin inverse of x into 2x by under root of 1 minus x square. And here you do one thing here. Observe करो, इसका डेरिवेटिव अंडर रूट का डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में है, बट माइनस इज नॉट देयर. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू टेक हियर प्लस एंड हियर माइनस ले लो. देखो ये अंडर रूट का डेरिवेटिव ऊपर हो गया. थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम इजी हो सकता है इफ यू आर डूइंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज़ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f dash of x by f of x dx इज इक्वल्स टू क्या है? याद नहीं है आप लोगों को? लॉगरिथम ऑफ mod f of x plus c. ये so ऊपर डेरिवेटिव अंडर रूट if it is there. I told you this one. If you are having without under root, log. With root, if you are having 2 root x, 2 root f of x. Do you remember? In the previous classes I told you. Yet as direct formula is not having, but you can consider it as a formula. In your textbook you are not having. Here I have written on the board also. In this place I have written 2. These 2 while solving the problems. I think you remember or not, I don't know. So now once again you try to recall this. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equals to logarithm of mod f of x. Is it visible to you here? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
इधर दिख रहा है आप लोग?
No, sir, that one is not visible.
Not visible. Okay. I think light is reflecting more.
Yes, sir.
तो ये याद रखो, इधर ही लिख रहा हूँ मैं. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equals to logarithm of mod f of x plus c. Under root if you have see इसका suppose ये first function second function कर रही है. Second function का integration करना पड़ता है. So इसका integration easily आ जाएगा. So that's why I am making this numerator as a derivative of the under root denominator. Denominator में क्या है? उसका derivative कर रहा हूँ. So ये दिमाग में रख के मैं वैसे कर दिया उसको. And now here you can apply again integration by parts. So here I am going to apply this formula here. Okay. So what do you write here? Which is equals to x into sin inverse of x whole square plus ये first function is second function. Again by parts I am applying. So first function and second function means first function as it is and integration of the second function minus integration of derivative of the first function d by dx of sin inverse of x into integration of the second function. Now here x sin inverse of x whole square plus sin inverse of x integration of minus 2x by under root of 1 minus x square. This is in the form of integration of f dash x by root f of x, that is equals to 2 root f of x. So 2 root f of x minus integration. The differentiation of the sin inverse x is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. इसका differentiation is 2 into under root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay? समझ में आया ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, that's why I'm explaining it very clearly. So this is equals to x into sin inverse of x whole square plus 2 sin inverse of x into under root of 1 minus x square, ये under root will get cancelled, minus 2 dx. So integration of 2 dx means x divided. Integration of sin inverse of x whole square plus 2 sin inverse of x into under root of 1 minus x square minus 2x plus c. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Next problem is
Yes, sir.
10th problem also x cos inverse of x 1 into under root of 1 minus x square. वो प्रॉब्लम भी थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन कर लिया तो so the problem becomes easy. X cos inverse of x by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so the question is same. See here, I am not going to explain to you same model है. इधर लिख रहा हूँ मैं 11th problem, integration of x cos inverse of x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. यही है ना क्वेश्चन? हाँ? So इसमें क्या करना है? सेम है. देखो ये cos inverse of x इधर लिख रहा हूँ. इधर second function I am taking like this. But here if you see that इधर 2x होता है तो अच्छा होता है हमको. If you are having 2x here, minus 2x, sorry, minus 2x because इसका differentiation है. So minus 2 multiply कर रहा हूँ, minus 1 by 2 here multiply कर. Now same model हो गया. सेम मॉडल प्रॉब्लम, ये उसका सॉल्यूशन इधर ही है, इसी में है. Isn't it? So you can do that. 11th problem. It's not very complicated. थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है, उसको फॉर्मेशन देख के हमारा रिक्वायर्ड फॉर्म में लेके आना है प्रॉब्लम को. So that is main important thing. Okay? Next to 12th 13th problem tan inverse x 1 कंसीडर करो एक फंक्शन को, वो भी इजी है and not difficult for you. At 14th problem if you are taking x log x whole square. Okay, so double time integration by parts you need to do it here. So this is important problem only, so that's why I explained to you that 14th problem थोड़ा सा important है. x log x whole square, integration of x into log x whole square dx is the question. So here log x whole square first function का consider करो and x to be taken as a second function. Okay, because islet you remember islet whenever it is taken into consider logarithm should be taken first and next function to be taken. So here whenever you apply that, this is equals to first function you write here to avoid the confusion. Log x wherever it is there, that you as a first function you write. So this is equals to log x whole square integration of x dx minus integration of d by dx of log x whole square into integration of x dx. So which is equals to log x whole square x square by 2 minus integration of log x whole square 2 log x 2 log x into 1 by x, and here you are going to get x square by 2 dx, and here 2 will be cancelled. Again x log x you are going to get. So here you are going to get x square by 2 log x whole square minus integration of x log x. So log x into x dx. Second time you need to apply the integration by parts. समझ में आ रहा है? Second time apply करना है. So nothing else. But here be careful that when you are applying second time brackets लिखो, because minus is there here. So log x to be taken first function integration of x dx and minus integration of d by dx of log x, and integration of x dx. Here dx, either dx. Brackets, you try to write it proper. So which is equals to x square by 2. Not difficult problem, but a different method. Its integration is x square by 2 log x. ये इसका integration. ये minus with minus plus हो जाएगा. Integration 1 by x and x square by 2 dx. So ये 1 by 2 x we are getting. Again x square by 2, x square by 4 आ जाएगा. Problem थोड़ा length है. If you are, I am doing little bit faster because as it is very easy to understand. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
If you are having any doubt in these steps, anywhere else, you ask please. So 15th problem also lengthy है problem. X square plus 1 is given. X square plus 1 you consider the second function, or you can split this one. X square log x 1 log x. Integration of log x or x log x minus x. वो यूज कर सकते हैं. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ log x is equals to actually in the example problem is there and I have solved it. 15th problem का बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. So x square log x find out करना है. X square log x that you find out. So the value, it's not very difficult to you. That also easily you can do it. And from the 16th problem onwards, let us see 16th is easy. 17th I will explain it. 17th में explain करता हूँ. थोड़ा सा different. Okay? समझ में आया ना इधर?
Yes, sir.
16th is easy here, and from the 16th onwards, based on this one, integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to, tell me, integration of e power x plus c. So based on this, from the 16th problem onwards, even 17th also you can apply like that. So the question is given to you, e power x plus 1 by x square is given to you. Integration of x e power x by 1 plus x square dx. So this is the question given to you. इसको थोड़ा सा modify करना है. हम लोग पहले कर दिया ना, the same thing here. You do remember that what is integration of 1 by x? Differentiation of 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 1 by x. ये फंक्शन इधर 1 by x है, इधर क्या होना है? माइनस 1 by x स्क्वायर होना है. I will change this into that form. इसको वो फॉर्म में लेके आना है. फर्स्ट e power x लिखो, x by 1 plus x whole square dx, which is equals to e power x. I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. Can I do like this? ये acceptable है ना? So integration of e power x.
Yes, sir.
1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx. So ये 1 plus x को square cancel करता हूँ. So what do you get here? E power x into 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx. So इसका differentiation ये है. If you want here plus लिख के minus लिख सकते हैं, because 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by 1 plus x is minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So इसका derivative ये है. So ये f of x मान लो f dash of x है. So which is in the form of this one. So you can write this directly as e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Just observation is very important. In this, observation is very important. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Formation को the given function थोड़ा सा change कर लिया. I have changed the way it is given to you. उसको change कर लिया, उसको थोड़ा सा modify करके कर लिया. Okay? Even 18th problem also can be done. 18th problem in two different ways actually. If you think that 1 plus sin x is by 1 plus cos x is given. 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, I'll tell you the one day. So the question is given that integration of e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. This can be written as dx is equals to integration of this. One can be written as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and the denominator can be written as 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Again, you don't write this as a 1. Why? Because this can be written as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. And this is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. So here we can write this as integration of numerator is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. Denominator में 2. ये 2 I will write here 1 by 2. And here cos square x by 2. इधर स्क्वायर है इधर स्क्वायर है, सो कंप्लीटली होल स्क्वायर कैन बी टेकन इनटू कंसीडर. इसको होल स्क्वायर लिख सकता हूं, isn't it? Now 1 by 2 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ये दोनों को tan x by 2 हो जाएगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा होल स्क्वायर dx. a plus b होल स्क्वायर एक्सपेंशन का a plus b होल स्क्वायर एक्सपेंशन 1 by 2 ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e पावर x आ जाएगा 1 plus tan x square by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2, secant square x by 2, 2 tan x by 2. Yes, 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2. A plus b whole square expansion I did. Just a plus b whole square expansion. Now what is this one? 1 plus tan square x by 2, secant square x by 2. So 1 by 2 of integration of e power x secant square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 dx. इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करो. 2 tan x by 2 tan x by 2 derivative. What is the 2 tan x by 2 derivative? 2 tan x by 2 derivative secant square x by 2, and here x by 2 का derivative 1 by 2, 2 will get cancel secant square x by 2. So that is nothing but ये फंक्शन f of x है, this is f dash of x. Don't get confused, ये आर्डर डिफरेंट है. फर्स्ट f of x, नेक्स्ट. सो फंक्शन ये है, इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है. ये फंक्शन है, इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है. सो द फाइनल आंसर will be is equals to e power x into f of x. f of x is what here? So actually we are having 1 by 2 also before. So इसका इंटीग्रेशन will be equals to e power x into 2 tan x by 2 plus c. So 2 will get cancelled. E power x into tan x by 2 plus c. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
This problem can be done in another way also. वो थोड़ा lengthy हो जाएगा. 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, you try that here. One problem can be solved in different ways. So with this we are completed this, and next problem is not very difficult. 19th and 20th 21 e power x sin x 21 e power x sin x. Okay, 21 I will tell you. 21 is not difficult a little bit. Integration of e power x sin x dx. Integration of e power x or e power 2x, e power 2x. Here 2x is given, e power 2x. So here the first function to be taken as this one. Second function to be taken as e power 2x. First function to be taken as sine and second function to be taken as e power 2x. So let us write it as a sin x into e power 2x dx. So by parts apply the by parts here. So sin x integration of e power 2x dx minus integration of d by dx of sin x integration of e power 2x dx. Now what do you get here? Sin x e power 2x integration is what? Integration of e power 2x is e power 2x only. E power 2x, but by 2 we are going to get 2 we are having in the denominator, minus cos x into e power 2x by 2 dx. See here again you need to do the same, and you consider this function as a I consider it, because you are going to get the against the I only in the some one place you are going to get same you are going to get again integration. Okay, इसको I कंसीडर करो, ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. सो बिकॉज इसको इंटीग्रेशन दोबारा कर लिया तो cos x आ जाएगा, cos x का इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंशिएशन sin x आ जाएगा. So this function you are going to we may expect it. You have to be in a such a way that you need to expect that sin x by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of cos x into e power 2x dx. So either again by parts apply करना है. So what do you get here? E power 2x into sin x by 2 minus 1 by 2 of cos x first function, second function is e power 2x dx minus integration of d by dx of cos x into integration of e power 2x dx. पूरा का डायरेक्ट. Now here separately e power 2x sin x by 2 minus 1 by 2 of cos x e power 2x by 2. ये 1 by 2 I am taking here, minus 1 by 2 integration of what is the differentiation of the cos x? Minus sin x. Integration of the cos x is minus sin x e power 2x by 2 dx. So ये simplify कर लिया तो here I am writing here. So I is equals to ये I है. I को simplify करना. Is it visible to you?
Not so much.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What?
No,
It
sir,
is.
now it became blurred.
So here e power 2x sin x by 2 minus 1 by 4 e power 2x cos x by 4, and ये भी 1 by 4 हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 1 by 4 into integration of sin x into e power 2x dx. So what is this part? First function again e power 2x sin x. अब ये कंटिन्यू करते जाए तो भी ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा. अगेन इसको बाय पार्ट्स अप्लाई नहीं करना है. At one step you are going to get again that function only. So that you have to replace here, which is equals to e power 2x sin x by 2 minus e power 2x cos x by 4 plus 1 by 4 into I. And this 1 by 4 I you take to the left side. Okay? So I minus 1 by 4 I. माइनस आ जाएगा? नो, हमने गलत किया. ये माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. ये माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो इधर माइनस, सो ये माइनस होगा. सो ये माइनस इधर प्लस हो जाएगा. इज इक्वल्स टू e पावर 2x sin x by 2 minus e power 2x cos x by 4. So if you add these two, 5i by 4, 5i by 4 is equals to e power 2x sin x by 2 minus e power 2x cos x by 4. So which is I is equals to 4 by 5. इसको LCM करना है तो LCM कर ले सकते हैं. 2 e power 2x sin x minus e power 2x cos x. So ये 4 will get cancelled. 1 by 5 into 2 e power 2x sin x minus e power 2x cos x. And there will be a direct formula for your IIT JEE exams, integration of e power ax sin x, sin dx. Like this you can remember, ये formula derive कर सकते हैं in the same way. E power ax into sin dx is equals to 1 by a square plus b square आ जाता है. 1 by a square plus b square and 2 means 2 e power 2x है ना. So a e power 2x sin x minus e power ax cos bx. You can derive by taking like this, and for your JEE IIT examinations के लिए, entrance examination के लिए वो formula derive कर सकते हैं. If you derive that, you can remember. Directly blindly if I say that, in the same pattern you try by taking a and b. Same pattern में इधर a ले लो, इधर b ले लो and continue करो. Then you try with the problem and you can derive this formula. Okay? समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
So last problem 22nd, that is just you replace the sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. X का place में tan theta replace करो and use the integration by parts. Then you are going to get the required solution. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes sir.